This entire animation, the character, movement, sound effects, captions, was made with one free tool, and I almost missed it. Everyone was hyped about Grok animations, then boom, paywall, but that actually helped me find something better. This tool does everything: image generation, VEO 3.1 video, sound effects, captions, editing, all in one place. No paid tools, and right now it's still free. I don't think that lasts long. So in this video I'll show you how to go from nothing to a full animated clip like this, step by step, and stay till the end. I'll show you one trick that makes it look 10 times better. Let's build it. Alright, every great animation starts with one thing, a story, and you don't even need to write one yourself. And I have this in yellow part, and if you want to create your own story, just delete the yellow part and paste your story in it. Copy this complete prompt and head over to ChatGPT. I will give the link of this prompt in the video description. You don't need to type a single word. Just copy, paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT gives you everything: video title, a full story script, a detailed character prompt so your character looks the same in every single scene, one text-to-image prompt to generate your character, and everything scene by scene, image-to-video prompts, each one with a short dialogue line already built in. This is the foundation of your entire animation, all planned out, all structured, ready to go. Now, here's where most people would stop and think, okay, but now I need 5 different tools to actually make this: an image generator, a video tool, a sound effect library, a caption editor, a video editor. No, you need one thing, and it's free. Open a new tab and type Google Vids and click on the first link that appears in front of you. You can sign in by using your Gmail ID. Google Vids is a brand new feature that Google quietly added inside the Google Docs suite, and honestly, most people have no idea it even exists yet. But here's why it matters for you. Inside this one tool, you can generate images, you can animate them, you can add sound effects, you can drop captions, and you can edit your entire timeline, all without leaving the page, all without paying anything. You can do so much in here. It almost feels like they made a mistake making it free. So, let me show you exactly how to use it, step by step. Okay, first step, creating your character. And go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave you 2 things, a character prompt and a master image prompt. Copy both of them, combine them into one single prompt, and paste it into Google Vids image generator. Select the correct aspect ratio, hit generate and give it a few seconds. And there it is, your character, fully designed, locked in, ready to animate. Now, before you move on, look at your image carefully. Does the face look clean? Are the colors right? Does it match what you imagined? If something feels off, regenerate. Take 30 seconds to get this right, because this one image is the foundation of your entire animation. Every scene you create after this pulls from this character, so get it right here, and everything else falls into place. Happy with it? Good. Now, take that same image you just generated and use it to create your first video. Click on the image, hit insert, then select convert to video and use it to create your first video. This is VO 3.1, the same model that companies are paying serious money to access, and you're about to use it for free. Now, go to ChatGPT and copy the first image to video prompt. Paste it into here, hit generate and watch. Your still character starts moving. The bike revs, the dust kicks up, the camera shifts, and listen, this character is talking.
Let's go! Oh!
Your character is actually talking real dialogue with lip sync. And those sound effects, the engine rumbling, the gravel crunching, the wind rushing past, VO 3.1 generated all of that automatically from one image and one text prompt. You didn't record a voice. You didn't search for sound effects. You just typed words, and VEO 3.1 figured out what the scene should look like and sound like on its own. That's your first animated clip, and click Insert to perfectly fill it on your canvas. Now let's do scene 2. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second scene video prompt, paste it into Google Vid's video generator, hit generate, and just like that, your second scene comes to life. Different angle, different action, same character. Let's hear the voice of the character.
Too big, too fast!
And again, the voice matches, the sound effects match, everything is in sync. Click on the insert in the new scene and you can see below your timeline is expanded and your new scene is ready. Let's play that video from the beginning to see if the video is good. Everything is perfect. Now proceed to scene 3. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the third scene video prompt, paste it into the video generator, hit generate. Watch how the character stays consistent. Same helmet, same jacket, same bike, but the story is moving forward and the sounds are evolving with it. New environment, new ambient noise, all generated automatically. Click on the video, then click on Insert in New Scene. This scene will be automatically added into your timeline. Now move to Scene 4. You know the flow by now. Copy the fourth scene video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Vids, hit generate. Every scene builds on the last. The dialogue continues naturally. The sound effects shift to match the new action. The story is taking shape right in front of you, and it sounds as good as it looks. And this is the pattern for all scenes. So copy the scene video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Vid's video generator, and VEO 3.1 turns your words into animation with voice, with lip sync, with matching sound effects every single time. Now repeat this for scenes 5. Each one takes just a few seconds to generate. And before you know it, you have more animated clips sitting in your timeline. You type text and got back animated video with character voice, lip sync and sound effects. No recording, no editing audio, no layering tracks manually. VEO 3.1 handled all of it for free. Now, at this point, you've got raw animation. It looks and sounds incredible, but it's missing one thing that separates good from great: captions. Videos with captions keep people watching significantly longer, and inside Google Vids, adding them is almost too easy. You'll see the caption option right inside the editor. Click it, and Google Vids automatically transcribes the dialogue from your video. Every word your character speaks gets turned into synced captions, perfectly timed. Pick the style you like and just one click, done. You didn't type a single word. You didn't sync anything manually. Google Vids listened to your animation and handled everything on its own. And that's it. You just made a full 3D style animation with voice, with sound effects, with captions, edited and polished, all inside one free tool. Now, once you're happy with everything, it's time to download. Go to File on the top left corner, click on it, and you'll see the option to download as MP4. Hit download. Now, keep in mind, the download can take a little time depending on your video. Don't just sit there and wait. Go grab a coffee, work on something else, and let it do its thing in the background. When it's done, your full animation is sitting right there on your device, ready to upload, ready to share. No expensive software, no subscriptions, no experience needed. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button. I'm finding free AI tools like this every single week, and the way these companies keep changing their pricing, you're going to want to know the moment I find the next one. Drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next one.